Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Cook With Me. How are you all? So today I will be sharing the recipe of chicken grill sandwich. These are all the ingredients which you can see, that is mint chutney, mayonnaise, cheese, butter, salami, lettuce and brown bread. Bread can be of your choice, it can be white, multigrain, garlic, whatever you like. So now I have taken all the ingredients required for making one chicken grill sandwich, that is 2 pieces of brown bread, some lettuce, 1 cheese, 3 to 4 pieces of salami and onion. So what you have to do guys, you have to take 1 teaspoon of green chutney on one bread. Spread it nicely, and then 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise on the other bread. After putting the sauces, you have to place 2 salami on each of the bread. Then some onions. Lettuce on one bread and cheese slice on the other bread. Now you just have to grill this sandwich on a preheated tawa. Put some butter on the pan and grill it, both sides. And yummy super tasty sandwich is ready.